Mm. Bauke is busy with the front end loader, and he has music on. I don't know if you hear it, but it's funny. Let up. Draf. Okay, when I look at Teije Rein, his head, his neck, I have to say, comes out a bit lower than the other Friesian horses. So it's very horizontal or something. When I put on the strings, I think I put it a bit higher. So he has to learn hold his head a little bit higher. It's different from the other horses. They have a more vertical neck, and I want them to go lower with their heads. Hey! But I think for him it's better to be a bit higher, because the lower part he already has. Come. So I try. Okay, he's very happy. Oh. I have to use 2 hands. Goed zo, braaf je. Let op. Draf. Let op. Draf. Draf. Kom. Draf. Well, I think Teije Rein did a great job. Hey, goed zo. Hey. And I got something for him. I think he says, thank you for buying me a carrot. Thank you so much. Or don't you want to say that? Risey and his new bridle. Oh, oh, hello. Please. Oh, oh, nee. Oh, it's a bit windy. But this is Risey's new bridle, and one of you gave a amount to buy a bridle for him. And the moderators helped me to choose which one. So they thought, and also I thought, a brown one would be nice instead of black. And I think it's great. What do you think? Yeah. Ah. Worst. Ah. Well, I think it's beautiful. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hey, what's that? Okay, he wants to work. Okay, he's a bit crazy. Come on. Oh, careful. Oh. Nee. Oh, ja. Okay, he's still a bit crazy. Oh, careful. Oh, rustig. Oh. Kom, stappen. Oh, God. Be careful. Goed zo. Oh, rustig. Oh. Hey, Bouke. Yes, he can also act normal. Oh, hello? I can't talk. Oh, stappen. Risey, I need 2 hands. Oh, braaf. Oh, hey. Stappen. Braaf. Goed zo, braaf jongen. Super, braaf. Ruf. Ruf, kom. Raf. Hallo. Goed zo, braaf jongen. Oh, stappen. Oh. Oh. Raf. Raf. Saly. And Reintje. And they can walk here. Kom eens. Kom maar. Hallo? Hey, kom. Belle. Boukje. Blomke. Hey. Risey. Yfke. Yvke is in heat. And she's in love with Teije Rein. Belle. Hey. Reintje. Nee, 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 nee. Dat hoeft net, hé. Oké. Why? Hey. Dat hoeft toch helemaal net. Blomke. And that's Belle. Step aside, please. Belle has rasp on her legs, and that's why I need to put on this. Blomke. But Belle really don't like it. So I do it like this. Goed zo. Braaf, goed zo. Well, she stands still. I thought she was just that wild. I'm going to film it. Goed zo, Belle. I think Belle did a great job. I hope it helps. Hey.